Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing the flagship smartphones. The ZTE Nubia Z70 Ultra, Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro and ZTE Nubia Red Magic 10 Pro. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. The ZTE Nubia Z70 Ultra and Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro come with an IP68 rating. Next, compare display features. ZTE Nubia Z70 Ultra and Red Magic 10 Pro come with 6.85 inches AMOLED display, and the Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro comes with 6.78 inches LTPO AMOLED display. Hardware features. All three mobiles are powered by the Snapdragon chipset. When it comes to the camera features, they offer 3 rear cameras. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. These devices include 5G connectivity, studio speakers and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.